Hello all, it's Sharon. Today's video I just want to come on here and share an idea with you all. So our Christmas tree is usually a video game theme. So it was originally the Super Mario Brothers, then Minecraft got added last year, and this year Nate would like to add some of the Sonic the Hedgehog characters. So I went on to Amazon and purchased these little cake toppers because when I looked up the price of actual Sonic ornaments, I'll put some prices up on the screen, they're quite expensive just to get one. And I got these guys on sale, so I got all, it's these 6 characters. And like I said, these are supposed to be for little toppers for a cake, but I'm just going to add like hooks where their arms are, and then I will make them into ornaments. So, you know, it's a fun way if you have a child that wants to add, or anybody that wants to add anything, you know, to their Christmas tree. Always check on Amazon and look up cake toppers because you can make your own ornaments. So we have the classic Sonic here, super cute, and then we have Tails, we have the Super Sonic character, the metal one, we have Knuckles, and I believe her name is Amy Rose. So yeah, I'll just be hooking the hook like underneath their arms basically and turning them into ornaments for Nate because, you know, that's what he asked for, and I, you know, tried to come up with an idea, and this is what I came up with, so I thought I would come on here and share it with you all. So you can purchase these on Amazon. I'll put the price up on the screen. I can't remember it right now, but I'll put it on the price right now of what I paid for them. They're actually on sale this week because it's the Black Friday sales week. But thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you in my next one.
Take care. Bye for now.